Hi guys, today we are finally having our part 2 walkthrough of our new construction. You can already see a sneak peek that the drywall has gone up and it looks amazing. We're starting here in the garage where only half of the garage is finished off with the drywall. So let's just go right on into the kitchen. So now we're standing in the kitchen and you can see what a huge difference the drywall makes. There is no mudroom or hallway that leads from the garage into the kitchen or into any part of the house. It's just straight from the garage into the kitchen. But with views like that, how can you be mad at it? This right here is a pantry. It's not a large pantry. I wish we had a walk-in one, maybe in the future, but it does serve its purpose and it's big enough. So now I'm showing you the kitchen from the opposite side of the room, and I'm also showing you the difference that it makes to have the raised ceilings. This is an upgrade like I mentioned in my part 1 video. If you haven't seen that, I'll link it above, but it really truly just makes a huge difference in how expansive your home feels. So if you are constructing, just really think about making that one of your options. So we just finished also seeing the living room and dining room, and they are connected to the kitchen. So I'm very happy that this floor plan is very open on the first floor so that you do have open access to all of the rooms at once, especially the sliding doors that lead right outside. So we still have those views even though the rooms are kind of all together. So here's the half bath that in my first video, part 1, was very hard to show because everything was open. Now that the drywall is up, you can see that it is a room. It's a very narrow half bathroom. There's only space for a pedestal sink and a toilet, but it does its job. It's a half bathroom and it's very convenient. Here's a perfect example of where the raised ceilings really make a difference, especially if you have a small house. Even though this bathroom is very narrow, it doesn't feel claustrophobic because the ceilings are so high. And speaking of claustrophobic, does anyone get Harry Potter vibes from this closet here? This is the closet underneath the staircase, and I always think of Harry Potter when I see a closet like this. Let's take these stairs and go upstairs to the second floor. Alright you guys, so the first room right off of the staircase is the nursery. I know that in my first video I said that this would be my office, but guess what? It turned into my nursery. If you haven't seen my first trimester pregnancy video, I'll link it above. But here you can see that it is a very small room. Again, this is also where you need to be careful about your upgrades. I mentioned in my first video that by selecting this to be a room, I lost half of my master closet, and that's because half of that closet needed to become a closet for this room. And I've already filmed a nursery tour, so if you are interested in that, make sure that you hit the button to subscribe so that you don't miss out on that video when it goes live. So right off of the nursery is the entrance to our master bedroom, and you can already see two of my most favorite options, which were our premium lot for those views and the ceiling tray. I am so in love with this. This will forever be my favorite option that we picked for the house. And now we're gonna walk into my master closet. It's still a walk-in closet, even though we took half for that first bedroom, but it's okay. We needed another bedroom more than we needed this closet to be a huge closet. If you are constructing though, make sure that you ask your superintendent or that you ask the salesperson what effect the choices that you're having for your options are having on the layout of your home. We did not know that we would lose half this closet. Again, we didn't mind at all, but if this is something that you care about, really make sure that you understand the effect that your options are having when you select them. Now we're gonna walk into our master bathroom. It is an ensuite. There's two vanities, there's two lights above the vanity, and there is a shower. I did not choose to have the tub, so that was another option. I mentioned that in my part 1 video that we selected to have an extra large shower instead. And there's a linen closet right next to it. After living in the house for a little bit, you guys, I'll just be honest with you. I absolutely hate this bathroom. I hate the layout. It is not at all comfortable to be in here. As you'll see in this clip here, the toilet is right next to the shower, and we have shower doors that open out. So the shower door is half an inch away from hitting the toilet rim each and every time. But again, that's all made up by this view right here. I'm just looking forward to the day that I can remodel that bathroom because I absolutely hate it. So now we're back out in the hallway and we're gonna go take a look at the rest of the rooms. Here's our second bathroom, and this one also has two vanities, a toilet, and it does have that tub. We did not opt to remove it. So this is actually the bathroom that I use the most often for everything that is not just a shower. Just because of the shelves and because I prefer this bathroom now to my master bathroom. But right across from this bathroom is the laundry room. Next up are the final two bedrooms. So now we're back outside in the patio, and at this point they hadn't done anything with the patio because they were doing the wiring for the two ceiling fans that are going to go in here. So there you go, you guys. That's part 2 of our new construction home. All the drywall is now up and it looks awesome. It really makes a difference to make your home feel like a true home once there's walls in it. But if you have any questions at all, leave them down below. I answer each and every comment. And if you enjoyed this video, make sure that you like it and subscribe to come back for more. I'll catch you in my next video. Bye.